Onyeshim that he's tired of bending. That they are going to arrest me because Namshi Jpac, all I require is examine your ass. And you accepted the challenge, which I have the evidence where you accepted the challenge. Guys, please share this video. As you are joining, because share the video before I proceed. Now that all the content creators are planning and raising money to arrest me, Bikono, I got raise ego to make sure that I got Jpac come examine. All I require that Ige puti kegi age mere like that test. In Abari, Nagabo other content creators and that. You're gonna arrest Ogechi. I mean, what is the big deal there? For you, hey, after that, you're welcome. All of you guys are welcome. Biko, Jpac, there is no cause for alarm. Honestly speaking, there is no cause for alarm. All you need to do is to do just a simple thing. You accepted the challenge. You said I was lying against you. That everything that happened, that it never happened like that. Now, I just want you guys to please help me Joram Jpac. Why is he dodging away from the simple exam? There is no need of all this dodging exam, and you say you're not in saga. You also come and saga. You also be sagaring. You also be threatening others that you're going to saga them, but you don't want to face again with a beef. You see that many people are calling me. I'm not paying attention to every other person. Now you are the targets. So I am not even paying attention to all these cheap bloggers that you have paid. You want to go? So I just want you to know that I am still waiting for the day you and I gagale deceive. And I'm battery also. We have a battery also. I just want you to know that I have battery also. Now, anyway, places that I will touch before I will start your message. I'm the places that I'm going to touch. Now, let's go here. I want us to watch this video before we continue. Guys, please share the video as you're joining. Share the video, alert other saga members. We will continue. Alan, morning. No. You can't end the minute in yeah. Chai, my die-hard fan. So I hope the one you're wearing, can't get a wife, can't get a condom wine. The day we went there. Even with the Kaham, but I'm maybe do it. Only Kaham no ya, can't carry, but I'm maybe do it. I don't know. I've been looking for it. Ewo chai. Thank you, my love. Yeah, and can't hang mo. Say make a carrier. What that should I yeah, been 3 wives. That day they gave it to us. We got another thing in here. No, a lot of things in here. Mama they been doing it herself. No. Nah, share. First 300 people to share. Drop your answer. First 300 people to share. Drop your answer. First 300 to share. First 300 to share. Drop your answer. Yeah, and about Christmas. Christmas all day again, man. Now, I want us to listen to this video. I want us to listen to this video because again, the video I'm about to play. First top 300 to share. First top. When the collect you go? I won't want Jpac and I say, don't give them any money. Don't give them any money. Because someone say, shower no be what. Don't give them any money. If you give, I'm not a wife that pretend to be who she's not, but na complete a shower where she be. I'm always a very simple. Now, I would like us. Yes, is calling me now. Hello? Hello? Yeah, what's up? I walk in the now in our home. If a man's like phone, you should know what's the I don't understand. No, look when you mention show. Are you not the one that called me and pick up my call? No, like when you mention she not the one. I believe it's about all more. Which kind of nonsense be this? Hey, you call me so they do life. I picked up your call. See, you don't believe me. And you sit down to say, they talk, you know they talk. Anyway, make una leave me, John. Make I do what I want to do. Okay, I love you. I have, yeah, keep sharing. 3 friends. Now, get video.
Open confession. Until this year, take a hit 1, take a hit 2, take a hit and they can your language. Now for what now wedding in Jpac. I'm on another war. Mark 25 days to 26. You have 27 Sunday a joker. Monday 28. Maybe the Monday bucket war after. This year, I'll go. Come by the area of you, can't go up the coffee goes yard. I am the woman can you do run your war where that is. And that was like a mama. I don't know this year. I will try to tell you come back to you. My lady was in the Monday. Now, who are you? Can't go on your job.
What is happening with my life?